Hey, I just wanted to do this video here on installing this truck box mount for the high lift. I've been putting it here on the Samurai, and I'm not going to go over the whole install because it's pretty simple. Just one improvement that I made that might be useful for others. So basically you're just, drilling 4 holes for the bracket. Then it comes with these plates and this wing nut that holds everything in place. And then I also purchased one of these to hold the handle in tight. It does have a clip on it here. This style does, that holds it, but I just wanted to make sure it was holding tight. So what I did, in addition to the normal install, I can show you from underneath too, these just go right through. So you drill a hole and bolt them on, as simple as that. But one thing I didn't like is just how they bolted straight onto the hood. I mean, not such a big deal on the Samurai, it's pretty beat up anyway. But what I did was I went to Ace Hardware and I got some of these little rubber isolators. They're just they're like a rubber washer, but these are 1/4-inch screws that it comes with. And I just took a screw down there with me and found one that fit the screw real snug. And they're rubber, and they fit onto the bolt. And I just installed those in between the bracket and in between the bracket and the hood. You can see it there. Pretty simple, but it's a big improvement. It gives it some cushion and keeps it a little more quiet and doesn't just tear up your hood so much. So anyway, just wanted to share. Thanks.